Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how to use indirect proofs to show two triangles are congruent. Now, when it comes to indirect proofs, they are different from formal proofs because when it comes to formal proofs, you're going line by line, and you're going to use whatever's given, whatever postulates and theorems that are appropriate to show two triangles are congruent. When it comes to indirect proofs, we're talking about the method proof by contradiction. Now, when it comes to proof by contradiction, it often assumes the opposite. So when it comes to proving that, you want to assume that the triangles are not congruent. Now, the idea here is when you're proving by contradiction, when you assume the opposite, you're going to work your way through the proof, and what's going to happen is you're going to come across something within the proof that's going to contradict that of a true statement, which doesn't make any sense. And what ends up happening is the indirect proofs are in paragraph form, and so as you're working your way through it, you're operating under this assumption, and what's going to happen is you're going to literally hit a wall that contradicts what it is that you already have. So at that point, you're going to assume, as long as you do the proof correctly, that you're going to reach a contradiction, and your conclusion of the indirect proof is going to be, therefore, the two triangles are congruent. So an indirect proof is a little bit different in structure from a formal proof, but it is just as effective because it has the same purpose. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's how to use indirect proofs to show that two triangles are congruent.